Welcome to our channel Tech Tank. Similar to OpenAI's ChatGPT, Googlebird, named as a storyteller, is the latest experimental AI-powered chatbot that can respond to various queries and requests in a conversational manner. Using information online, it is intended to generate fresh, high-quality responses. Googlebird is already launched in February 2023. Only selected beta users are allowed to use it. It has some pretty unique features that set it Google's artificial intelligence chatbot. It will work exactly like ChatGPT, that is, users will be able to use the chatbot through conversation. The new chatbot is based on Google's language model LaMDA. What is Googlebird AI? Alphabet has decided to launch the Googlebird AI, which is the direct competitor to the ChatGPT available on OpenAI. It's working on artificial intelligence and works on the same model to answer in a conversational way. So we are here with complete information regarding what is Googlebird AI, for which all the people are searching eagerly. As we have mentioned earlier, it is based on artificial intelligence, which means that you can access information from all over the internet by just asking simple questions to the chatbot. Also, check the Googlebird AI launch date, which is scheduled to be connected with Google search engine. If you notice, you can find the differences between both ChatGPT and Googlebird. You need to log in on the Bard portal and then read the guidelines mentioned here regarding how to use Googlebird. His program, called Googlebird AI, is developed on the LaMDA model, language model for dialogue applications. If you ask question to Googlebird, you can get answers to your queries in the conversation way. Microsoft's decision to up the ante on a $1 billion investment it made in OpenAI in 2019 intensified the pressure on Google to demonstrate that it will be able to keep pace in a field of technology that many analysts believe will be as transformational as personal computers. The internet and smartphones have been in various stages over the past 40 years. In a report last week, CNBC said a team of Google engineers working on artificial intelligence technology has been asked to prioritize working on a response to ChatGPT. Googlebird features. Very first and most important feature of Bard AI is that it answers queries in a conversational method. Secondly, it is a self-learning platform that makes it easy for users to get precise and perfect answers to their queries after a few months. Thirdly, it ensures that you get answers which suit your question by allowing you to get answers again and again. Also, you can get answers for complex queries and simple queries belonging to any topic. When does Googlebird launch? You should know that Googlebird AI launched on February 2023. Currently, only selected beta users are allowed to use it through Google search engine. Apart from this, mobile users can also open Google search app on there and then use the chatbot option to get answers from Bard AI. How do we log in Googlebird AI? If you wish to use the Googlebird AI login, then kindly use the email ID and password on the Google search engine and then get the chance to use the features. Now, to log in, you have to enter the mobile number or other relatable information as asked on the website. Once you create your profile in the Bard AI, you can simply use it. Queries and then get accurate answers to your query. What is the smartest AI chatbot? Here are 10 of the best AI chatbot platforms to build the exact right bot for your business. 1. Netami. 2. ChatGPT. 3. Spoke. 4. WP Chatbot. 5. Microsoft Bot Framework. 6. Zendesk Answer Bot. 7. X.AI. 8. CSML.dev. 9. Alexa for Business. 10. Drift. But Googlebird AI can be the best AI chatbot in the world. In which country AI is best? However, some countries are known for their significant contributions to the field of AI, including the United States, China, Canada, and several European countries, such as the United Kingdom, France, and Germany. What is the most powerful AI today? While AI has been improving, the November 2022 launch of ChatGPT has been a game changer. ChatGPT is a conversational application of GPT-3, the most powerful AI system in the world, allowing you to have a natural conversation with this powerful technology. In 2023, Googlebird AI can be the most powerful chatbot technology. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts and feedback. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching.